This 2025 Venture RV Stratus SR211 VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 26 feet 3 inches in length and features a desert interior, sleeps 8, LP detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, awning, smoke detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, water heater, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV Stratus SR211 BBH is 5,490 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.